Hello food lovers. Welcome to Food and Beyond 101, the home of stylish food reveals. Today I'm using my air fryer for the first time. I'll be using my air fryer to grill and fry plantain. Watch with me and see the results. For my ingredients today,
I have plantain and cooking oil. Here's the air fryer out of its box. Its slick design belies how big it actually is. It's really slick. It has 5 functions in total, but today, I'm going to concentrate on the grill function and the air fry function.
Let's make some grilled plantain.
Peel the plantain. Preheat the grill. Once the air fryer reaches the desired temperature, it will say add food. I'm using foil to keep my new air fryer clean. Add the plantain. Grill for 20 minutes. Quick check after 10 minutes, everything is looking good. After total cooking time of 20 minutes, the grilled plantain is ready.
Let's make some fried plantain. Okay, time to make some fried plantain using the air fryer mode.
Peel the plantain. Cut the plantain into manageable pieces. Lightly coat the plantain with oil. Add some salt. Preheat the air fryer. Once the air fryer reaches the desired temperature, it will say add food. Add some oil onto the protective foil. Add the plantain. Quick check to make sure everything is cooking well. After 15 minutes of cooking, the fried plantain is ready.
In the kitchen's lively ballet, a dance of flavors, a culinary play. Plantains join the grand affair, with eggs, beans, and chicken stew to share. Plantains meet eggs, a duo divine, beans join in, a trio to shine. Chicken stew, a saucy delight, a harmony of tastes, pure and bright. On the plate, a masterpiece unfolds, a medley of textures, stories untold. Plantains, eggs, beans, and stew, a feast for the senses, a flavorful view. So gather round, let the feast begin, a celebration of flavors that sing. plantains, eggs, beans, and stew, a culinary adventure, crafted for you. The grill's embrace, a caramel kiss, plantain's journey, pure bliss. Each flip, a chapter in the fire's song, an ode to the plantain, where it belongs. A dance of textures, a fusion of taste, grilled plantain, a dish embraced. Palm oil weaves its magic spell, nuts at depth, a story to tell. On the plate, a masterpiece unfolds, a tale of warmth that never grows old. Grilled plantain, with palm oil divine, nuts join the chorus, a flavor so fine. So savor each bite, let the senses entwine, in this symphony of flavors, truly divine. Grilled plantain, palm oil, and nuts unite, a culinary ballet, a feast of delight.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share.